May entrata update yan sa post ng Philippines. Sexiest list. Pang 61 si Maymay. Grabe yun. Pwede pa bumoto. Sa ito pa. Special guest si Maymay sa concert ni Jay Park. Yes, gaganapin sa 28. Sa New Frontier Theater. Wow. Sa ito yung TikTok ni Maymay. Ang galing ni Maymay. Kasi nasabay si Maymay sa mga trend. Doon pa. May backup dancer pa si Maymay. Ang galing ni Maymay. Nakakatawa yan. Ito, voice lesson ni Maymay with Coach Dave.
Katulad yan, I'm staying, you reach for the loan. Loan ba? I'll stay thinking I'm crazy. Sabi mo, I'll stay up late thinking I'm crazy. I'll stay up late thinking I'm crazy. Baby, baby. Yan, mas excited pa ako, di ba, May? Pag kinalabit mo ako, sige, pag nangalabit ka, baby. It's not baby. Oh, ay!
Wait, si Maymay.
Kailangan ka ganito, kailangan ka. Yung masyado kang marami iniisip before you attack ano, just immerse right into it. So, ano dito? Para hindi ka nabubulan. I-accept mo muna yung mga first note on each.
Napasabak si Maymay sa
Visualize the
voice lesson.
paradise. Baby, I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy. Getting ripped out of paradise. And all of the things that screaming inside your head when you could love me right. What does it feel like? Goodbye, paradise. Ay!
Yung solid.
Ano ka dyan?
Yung Maymay.
Oh,
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Charlie Anshung Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.